What's up guys, V here, and in today's video I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to assemble your brand new FlexiSpot C7 ergonomic chair. Alright, first things first, let's get the wheels on, get this bottom part, and then take the wheel and they just slide in there. You do gotta put some pressure to get them in. And then get this piece right here, that just sits right in the center here, and we're done with this for now. We'll put this to the side. All right, next we're gonna get our seat cushion, the two armrests, and this thing. Make sure to have your bolts handy. And we gotta get this footrest out of the way. That just slides out. I'm gonna put this first, and there is a arrow right here that says front, and then down here it says front, so just follow that. To attach this to the seat, we're gonna need the bolts that are labeled I right here. And get your Allen key right here. Now, of course, if you have a drill set with drill bits, go ahead and use that. Just be careful not to over tighten anything or strip anything. I'm gonna do it with the tools they provided, even though I do have the other tools. I just wanna make it DIY friendly. You don't need any special tools. It comes with the tool you need. So just go ahead and line up the bolt holes. And before you fully tighten anything down, make sure to thread all 4 bolts in, just because sometimes you might misalign it a little bit and you might need some micro adjustments at the end. And the instruction book does say to put the armrest on first. I'm doing this first just because it's flat and much easier. Once I get the armrest on, it's going to be a bit more difficult. And you can get the long side to get it snug, and then get the short side in there for a little extra leverage. And I have a habit of doing cross pattern, so I did this corner, now I'm going to do this corner just so it seats properly. Do the rest like that, and we can move on to the armrests or the back. We'll see. Might do the back first. Now that that's done, you can do the backrest first if you're more comfortable doing that instead of the armrest. But yeah, I'm gonna do the backrest real quick and then we'll do the armrest. For the back bolts, you need these L. It does help to do this at a table. It's much easier. And if you have a helping hand, have them hold it right here. I'm by myself and it is on a table, so it is gonna work perfectly doing it like this. So I got 1 in, 2, and 3. Take this, go ahead and start tightening, and now just snug them up fully. This is perfect. Now we've avoided the armrests as long as we could. It's just once you get them on there, obviously it won't sit flat like this, but you can slide the edge off like I am right here. Hold one side. You're gonna need the K bolts right here. Now just make sure you put the correct armrest on the correct side. This is the right side, and for me, because I am a bigger guy, I'm gonna slide these out all the way, but if you like, you can slide them in all the way or somewhere in between. There is some adjustability here, so for me, I'm gonna put it all the way out and just hold it there while I tighten one of them up, and then just do the other 2. And do the same exact thing on this side. All right, now that we're done with all that, get your swivel base thing, not sure what it's called, line it up with the hole right down here. There's that. And now the final thing to do is get this headrest on. The way you do this, you are going to need this solo J bolt and your tool. Basically, you just align it at an angle and then hold it just like that. Make sure it's at the top position. It's gonna make this a lot easier to screw it in. There's a hole at the bottom here. Just start threading it in by hand first, and then go ahead and get your tool. And that's pretty much it. If you'd like to see the review video of this chair, I'll have a link down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.